Guys, what is going to happen today for Bitcoin is literally going to decide the next couple of weeks for Bitcoin, because it's extremely important what is currently happening. We can see right here that Bitcoin is literally on the verge of breaking to the upside, and in this video I'm literally going to tell you guys everything you need to know. This is extremely important. So before I do, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. We're almost at 500 subscribers, which is crazy. Furthermore, if you want to trade massive volatility over on Bitcoin, that is literally coming in the next couple of days, then right now what you want to do is go to the first link in the description, and if you use my link to sign up for a Bybit account, you will literally get up to 30k completely for free. You can see it right here. It's actually legit. It's absolutely crazy. Go check it out, guys. If you use my link, free $30,000. Go check it out. Furthermore, guys, now for the Bitcoin, we can literally see that yesterday we saw a gigantic pump to the upside, perfectly from off this level of support right here. And currently, we are literally right now, the second I'm making this video, we are literally retesting this gigantic bear flag, and the potential, there's just a really big chance right now that we are literally going to bounce from off this bear flag, literally sending us into new yearly highs, which is going to be absolutely freaking crazy. However, it's not going to be that easy, because of course we can see that this line acted as a lot of support and resistance, meaning that this is actually quite a strong support line. However, if we don't hold this line, then it's going to be catastrophic for Bitcoin. So literally what is happening right now is so freaking important, because if we don't hold this support line literally in the next 4-hour candle, that means that Bitcoin is likely going to crash down like crazy. However, if we do hold this support line, then we're going to see a gigantic freaking pump. It's going to be crazy. So guys, literally right now we can see that Bitcoin of course pumped perfectly into the $38,000 so a resistance level again, and we can see that we are getting quite a hard rejection. However, like I just showed, we are currently at massive support, and if we do get somewhat of the bounce from that support level, then that could definitely flip us into support, because we already tested this level now twice, meaning that it's getting less stronger each time. And if we test it one more time, I think that with a bit of volume we can easily push through 38k, literally sending us to new levels we have literally never seen, meaning that we break this massive area of resistance right here, sending us straight all the way to $45,000, which is going to be crazy of course. But yeah guys, first we do need to see that bounce from off that level, guys. We can see we are most likely going to create somewhat of a wick to the downside if we do decide to hold it. So currently we are just waiting for another 2 hours and 40 minutes for this to hold, and then we can make a decision or if we're going to hold this or not. Because if we are not going to hold this, then that means that these higher highs are not going to be in play, and then we're literally going to create lower lows, which is just going to be extremely catastrophic. Furthermore, for the Bitcoin price, I already showed you guys this. But currently, what is currently happening for the 3-day candles is actually quite interesting. Because we can see right now that we are creating this kind of a chart candlestick pattern. And this is actually a typical bearish candlestick pattern, meaning that this is a massive chance that we are going to come down all the way to 31k, because that is where our next area of massive support is going to lay, of course. And it will still make us higher highs, which is still bullish. However, it will be quite a catastrophic drop from 38k, of course. And then furthermore for Bitcoin, we can also right now see that we are creating somewhat of a doji candle for Bitcoin, which is just also not bullish at all. A doji candle is a typical reversal candle, meaning that we have seen 4 green candles in a row, right now 1 red doji candle, meaning that the next couple of weeks could potentially get extremely red if we do decide to get the doji candle actually closed just like this. And that's just going to be extremely freaking crazy. However, do note that if we don't create a doji candle, and if we do get that massive bounce from off this level, then this will be a perfect green candle, sending us just like crazy. So literally everything is currently hanging on a thread by this massive area of support. If we don't hold this support, then it's over for Bitcoin, and we're going to first retest 32k, but potentially all the way to 31k. However, if we do hold it, then we're going to test this 38k again, and it will most likely break, sending us literally to 45k. It's going to be crazy. Literally, we are going to decide the next couple of weeks for Bitcoin today. It's so freaking important. So make sure to stay up to date to everything you need to know for Bitcoin, guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for even more updates. And yeah, guys, it's just extremely important what is currently happening for Bitcoin. So make sure to Like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any updates. If something crazy happens for Bitcoin, I will definitely let you guys know over on my YouTube channel. So that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto video.